Hey everybody, welcome back, and I am back with my second rescue box from ThredUp. So I did my first one. I will link it above and down in the description box. That was my first one ever rescue box I've done from ThredUp. I've shopped there tons of times, but I thought, let's give the rescue boxes a try. I am a part-time reseller on the Poshmark app. You can find me there at Reckless Beauty or the link down below. The point of the rescue boxes is to sell what I can, keep what I like, and then go from there. So the last box was the Prints and Patterns box. It was size 12 to 14, and that one was $22. They are now, yeah, I think they're still $22 if I'm not mistaken. So let's jump into this one and see what we have. I don't know which is which. Okay, so this one is the mixed tops. This is the mixed tops. This box was $38. So this was one of the first boxes that I bought that was $38, and then all of a sudden it turned into $22 like a day or two later. But I paid $38 for this box. This box is extra large, which is size 16, and it's 10 tops. So last box, if you didn't watch it yet, I had Anthropologie, I had Topshop, I had some cute loft prints, so we shall see. This is, these are not the DIY boxes, these are the rescue boxes, which means everything is in perfect condition, some with tags, ready to wear or sell. The DIY boxes are where you're going to deal with damage and stuff like that, but not these. Okay, so this is Talbot's, and it's a white tank top. Has this cute crochet like detail. I don't think I have anything Talbot's in my closet. I tend to not buy Talbot's. I don't know why. And this is rayon. It's not like linen or anything. This is just regular rayon. So I don't know. I might list it because it's something that someone might be looking for, you know, just like a solid white top goes with everything, so that might be a list. This is Jones, New York. Same thing. I don't think I have anything Jones currently in my closet. It kind of has this, I call it arrow print because I don't know what else to call it. It's white and it has the black stripes, but then on the back they all go in one direction. I don't know. Maybe I'll put that up there. I don't know. I mean, it takes time to like take these pictures and measure, and I don't know, to only get maybe a couple bucks. So I don't know. I have to look and see. This is Lane Bryant. Oh, this is cute. Nile. This is really cute. Definitely not in the sea. Well, I mean, I'm sure it's jacket season somewhere for somebody, but we got some shoulder pad action here. Hold on. This is really cute. This one I would definitely list. Has like a, not paisley, it's like almost like a flower pattern, and then it has this really cute belt detail. I like that. And the back is just, that's super cute. I was not, that's more of a jacket. I wouldn't say that was a top. That's more of a jacket. What is this? Ivy Rose. Let's see if we've got, that might be Anthro. It is not. Ivy Rose. And it's just a regular sweater with the rainbow print, and then it's solid in the back. I'm not familiar with Ivy Rose. but I definitely like the print. It's definitely something different and funky, so I'll probably throw that up there. So far, I don't really, I'm a little upset that I paid $38 for this box and $22 for the other, and the other one so far was way better. This one is J. Crew, and it has a chicken on it. It's a sweater, and it's blue, I believe. I don't know. Yeah, this looks like it might be blue. Just a blue sweater with a chicken and a beret. So if this is your jam, let me know. I don't know what that is. That's weird. Okay. This has no tag. So this is most likely an unbranded sweater, which I definitely can't, I don't know. I don't like selling unbranded stuff on Poshmark because it's very difficult for people to find. This one is blue, and I just hit myself in the face with it. Blue and gray. I don't know. That looks like a guy's sweater. What is this? This is weird. It has like this weird detail. No. I don't know. That sweater might be black now that I'm looking at it. There better be something in here that saves this box, because another loft. This is cute. Just like a solid. Oh, Lord. Another Ann Taylor loft. This one's cute. Just like I like this color. It's like a rose color. Has some sequin detail. That's super cute. And then this is just a regular loft long sleeve top. Definitely not exciting there. And then this is the last piece. Ralph Lauren Sport. And it's just a red sweater. ThredUp could have kept this whole box. Straight up. They could have kept this whole box. I'm so mad I paid $38 for this box. And honestly, when I got it, because this is the extra large box at size 16, for a minute I was like, let me not get it. It's going to be a box full of crap, because they do not make cute clothes over the size like 8 and 10. Like there is no cute clothes, and I can say that because I wear this size. So I know there's no cute clothes in this size. And so part of me was like, oh, you know, don't get it because it's probably not going to have any like cute clothes. And literally, like, this might be vintage because I don't remember the last time Ralph Lauren Sport. I don't know. I'm a little mad at this one. Could we swap and say this was the $22 box? So, I don't know. I got a mixture of sizes. I don't know if I got another extra large box. I thought I did. I hope I didn't, because these, I think the only like salvageable situation is maybe this sweater and probably this jacket. Is probably the only. This might be another one of those things where I like box it together and like, because it's the same size, like sell it together. Not very exciting on that one, but that is the second box. We are down to 4 more here and still 2 coming. So yeah, I don't even know if I'll buy the last box, if I'll even know which other 2 are still coming. But so that was box number 2. Not very exciting, but if there is something that you saw that you liked, let me know in the comments. I will create a listing on a Poshmark just for you so that you're able to buy it. Or if you liked the, you know, a couple of things, I will definitely bundle it together for you. Like if you want the solid color shirts and you just want to have those in your wardrobe, absolutely. I will have no problem creating a listing for you. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Don't forget to ring the bell so you know the next time a ThredUp Rescue Box haul unboxing goes up, because we got a long ways to go. So don't forget to do that. And until next one.